Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Path, where we make money management simple and help you take control of your financial future. Today, we're going over the best budgeting apps of 2025, the ones that actually help you save money, track spending, and stay on top of your goals. If you've been struggling to stick to a budget, these apps can make the process so much easier. Let's jump right in. 1. Mint has been around forever and for good reason. It automatically tracks your income and expenses, connects to your bank accounts, and even reminds you when bills are due. In 2025, Mint has a cleaner interface and new goal-setting tools that make it perfect for beginners. Best for anyone who wants a simple all-in-one budgeting tool. 2. YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB is for serious budgeters who want to give every dollar a job. It helps you plan ahead, manage categories, and stay proactive instead of reactive. It's subscription-based, but most users say it's worth every penny because it helps them save more than they spend. Best for people who want full control and discipline over their money. 3. Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. Rocket Money automatically tracks your subscriptions and helps you cancel the ones you don't use, saving you cash every month. It also shows your spending trends and negotiates bills on your behalf. Best for people who want to stop wasting money on hidden costs. 4. Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is simple, visual, and beginner-friendly. It shows exactly how much money you can safely spend after bills and savings, which helps you avoid overspending. Best for anyone who wants a quick, easy way to stay on track. 5. Good Budget. Good Budget uses the classic envelope system, but digitally. You can divide your income into categories and track spending with a partner or family member. It's great if you love structure and shared accountability. Best for couples or families managing shared budgets. Bonus app, Monarch Money. A newer app that combines budgeting, investments, and financial planning all in one dashboard. If you like data visualization and goal tracking, Monarch might be your new favorite. Which one should you choose? If you're just starting out, go with Mint or Pocket Guard. If you're serious about long-term financial control, YNAB or Monarch Money is worth the investment. And if you want to cut waste fast, Rocket Money will do the heavy lifting for you. If this video helped you find your new favorite app, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealth Path, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more money smart videos like this. Comment below, which budgeting app are you using right now? Remember, it's not about the app, it's about consistency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Wealth Path.